We have three parts of our, for the sake of this conversation, we have three parts of our mind. We have, and I don't know how to put this to the right scale, but this, you'll get the idea. We have a conscious mind that's really, really small. We have a subconscious mind. And then we have a superconscious mind, somewhere over on that. I don't know if there's a boundary to the superconscious mind. This is what the psychologists are telling us. We're not going to play with the superconscious mind just yet. I'm interested in, because several of you have said the word subconscious mind. You mentioned it. Kennedy, you said we have a subconscious mind and we have a conscious mind. What are some of the things that we know are part of this subconscious mind? Based on what we've mentioned to this point this morning, what are some of the things we know that are, here's the subconscious mind. Kennedy.
It's like all our systems, we're not thinking about our breakfast that we're digesting right now, like telling our stomach to break down the food, that's what's happening. It's just all our automatic processes.
Yeah, isn't that, I mean, I've said this before, it's so cool that you can have, did anyone eat breakfast today? It's okay if you didn't. It's really okay. Did anyone eat eggs? A few of you had eggs? Isn't it cool that your body knows what to do with the white part of the egg, the yellow part and the white part differently, and it knows where to put it? Like, if you worked out, did anyone lift weights yesterday? So those of you who lifted weights, your body's going, okay, she needs a few more protein. She needs a little more protein. Did you do curls? Or did you do any legs? Yesterday isn't every day a leg day? No, it isn't my world. Not for you, because you lift way too heavy things. But when you do legs, your body's going, okay, she did legs. Some part of you is thinking this. She did legs, and if she does legs again tomorrow, there needs to be more leg in there. And so it takes the protein, it breaks it down into amino acids first, and then it recombines it and shoots it into your thigh. And you don't have to know any of that. And there's millions, literally millions of those kinds of things happening all the time. I mean, second to second. Is anyone here pregnant? You are? All of the things that are happening that we just said, and there's a baby going on in there. And it's dividing and dividing and dividing. How far along are you?
Just a little over
7 months.
Yeah.
Nobody would know that you're 7 months pregnant, except you. You can tell. So this little baby, now tell me, during this whole 7 months, what have you done consciously to make this baby divide and divide and divide and divide and divide into this growing fetus? What have you done consciously?
Taking vitamins.
But I mean by thinking about it. Like, come on, baby, let's go. Get growing, come on, grow, grow, grow. While at the same time, did you ever lift any weights while you're...
Yeah.
Okay, so she lifts weights, so she eats the eggs, and it's got to go somewhere. Somebody sneezes, and her immune system goes, no problem, I've seen that one before, right? And millions of things are happening. Literally millions. I'm not exaggerating for effect on that. I mean, if you all of the things that are taking place, it's staggering to think about. If ever I get a little bit, the least bit like, I'm not very good, I just go, holy cow, look at what my body's doing moment to moment. It's unbelievable. Anyway, So all of those things are taking place.